I'll take the the rectangle tool. The shortcut for that is M. I'll draw a rectangle here, something like this, and give it a bluish shade as it is on the app. I can come here on the left side of the screen, double click here, and kind of give it a dark shade. It's somewhere around here. I'll press OK. Now I'm going to round off the corners here. For that I need to select the direct selection tool, come in here and make it rounded. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a copy of it. For that I can press Ctrl C, copy, and then paste in front, Ctrl F. I'll change its color for the moment, something like this, and I'm going to hold shift, hold the object, hold shift, and slide it some a little outwards like this, and then hold again, press shift, and bring it below like this. And that should be enough. Now, just like the last icon, there is this pull out from the left side. In this case, I'll pull it to the right side to point out to the person who's speaking. For that, I'm again going to add anchor points on the object. I'll come here and make sure it looks like a plus. I think I want to do it somewhere around here. Then I will do one somewhere around here, and that's it, because I already have one here. Now I'm going to go back and hold this and bring it out and try and see if I can make it like a straight line, a little bit like this, and work with the handle, or simply put it back in here so I have this sharp shape. This is what I wanted for my icon. Now I need to make an operation by which, if I select the upper object, you might notice there is a path running in between the upper layer. So I want to break it apart. For that, I'll hold these together, go back here and select the shape builder tool and isolate this and press plus. Now I have three shapes. I can give it a third color, Control Z. I need to select just this shape, give it a third color. As you can see, there are three shapes. Now the difference is that I want to have them a similar color tone as it is on my app. For that, I'll select first this shape and go here and give it a lighter kind of shade, something like this. Copy its value, press OK, bring down here, select the lower object, paste the value, press tab, and now it gives the same color. Press OK. Take the middle shape, select it and give it the dark shade that I want it to have, something like this. There you go. So this gives me the final icon that I want to have. I can group it together and bring it in here. Now since this icon has a white background, so what I'm going to do is just select the ellipse tool. For that, I can press here, ellipse tool, or just press L. I'm going to make 250 by 250. Press OK. Oh, I did select the ellipse tool. I'll press L. So let's keep it 300 by 300. I can give it a bit of a different color and increase it like so. Push it back by Control left bracket. Arrange it like this to my personal satisfaction, and instead of giving it a white background, I'll just give it a slight yellowish background, and I'll just group it, make it smaller, And if I want, I can add the shadow to it. Now the process that I'm following right now to add the shadow to it is pretty much, you already noticed, I do one half and then I do the other half. There is one more method that will give me a lot more precise shadow, and it is more accurate mathematically, and I don't know if it's faster, but it's more accurate, and in the coming videos I'll share that as well, that you would be able to do so. But for today I'm just focusing on this, just trying to create more icons. So I'll select the pen tool once again, come here and see somewhere around here, zoom in it a bit and click here and see where is the 45-degree angle. It's going in, as you might notice, as you can see, it's going in. So I'll deselect it, press Ctrl Z. So I'll keep it somewhere around here again, try and see. Now it's fine, it's going just outside here. So I can come here and select it here. I can zoom it about, select it, and finish it, give it black color. Do the same on the other side. I think it's going to be somewhere around here, or maybe even here, maybe here, but if I do so, it won't be much, so I'll just keep it somewhere around here. And from here you can click out and join these together. Press V, come out, select both the shapes, join them together. Again press V, push them down. I need to push it up. Oh, since I've grouped it together, so it's pushing it completely below. So all I need to do is just ungroup it and now select it and push it like this. Select the circle, shape builder again, press Alt, hold and drag, minus, press V again, just hold the shadow, reduce its opacity to 20%, press enter, and that's it. Your shape is ready. You can group it together, and that is the second icon. So these are the two icons that I have worked upon, and in both these cases there are few things that we have worked upon. For the first time we have understood how to use the gradients, the very basic method of using gradients, and we have used the pen tool to create extra points, and used the direct selection tool to drag out the shape, and also used the anchor point tool to drag out this, not to drag out the shape, but to use it to modify the shape. If just to remind you once again, if I take this and ungroup it and select just this shape, if I hold the direct selection tool, both the arms are available for me, the handles, not the arms, the handles, as it says right here on the screen, handle. But if I select the anchor point tool, I can use just one handle. So this is the little knowledge that a student must have in terms of how to modify the shape. So this is pretty much it. In this video I have worked and developed these two icons for you to practice, for you to learn, for myself to learn.